Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get L-Arginine naturally. L-Arginine is an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including immune response and hormone secretion. It's particularly important for producing nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and supports healthy circulation. While your body can synthesize some L-Arginine, incorporating it through your diet is key for optimal levels and overall well-being. Many common foods are packed with L-Arginine. Lean protein sources like turkey, chicken, and beef are fantastic choices. Dairy products including milk, yogurt, and cheese also contribute significantly. For plant-based options, look to nuts and seeds such as peanuts, almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are also great sources, making it easy to boost your intake through everyday meals. Integrating L-Arginine-rich foods into your diet is simple and delicious. Try adding a handful of almonds or walnuts to your morning oatmeal or salad. Make sure to include lean protein, like chicken breast or fish, in at least 2 of your main meals. Greek yogurt makes a fantastic, protein-packed breakfast or snack. These small changes can significantly increase your natural L-Arginine intake without much effort. Maintaining sufficient L-Arginine levels naturally offers several benefits, including improved cardiovascular health and enhanced exercise performance. It also plays a role in supporting your immune system and promoting faster wound healing. Remember, a balanced diet is the best way to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. For more deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.